Welcome back. We have set up a specific kind of activity that we want our site visitors to be engaged in so that they can earn points and we can gamify their experience. And so basically, the activity will take place in the comment area as we are specifying. What we now need to do is we need to go to our Gamify menu and we need to go to our points type. Now we have specified a specific points type which is called a credit. And with this points type, we are going to set up a way for an individual to earn a credit or credits. So we're going to click on Add New Points Award. We're going to say that the individual is going to earn the points if they comment on a specific post. We're then going to select the post. We're going to search for the post that we have created. Once we find the post, we're going to set it. We're going to state that the post must occur one time per year. And what we're going to do is we're going to state that the individual will earn 100 credits and that they can earn it one time. We're going to give the post a label. Now we do want the place where they can earn to be clickable. So we're going to grab the URL that we created at the very beginning. And we're going to post the URL here in this area. Now that we have it, we're going to save our points award. We're then going to update the post. We are now going to create a page where an individual can see how they can earn specific points. And to do that, we're going to write in how you can earn credits. And what we're now going to do is we're going to set a block. And we're going to look for the Gamify blocks. And we're going to pull in a points type block. When we do that, you're going to see the properties of this block here on the right side menu. We're going to select the points type that we want to display, and we're going to display credits. And what we're going to do now is we're going to publish this page. And we're now going to view the page. And when the individual comes to the page to find out how they can earn credits, they're going to click on Show Details. They're then going to see that they've got a credit award. They'll then click this area. That'll bring them to the post that gives them the instructions on what they can do to earn the points. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.